With the rising prices of fuel, riding and traveling is becoming more of a luxury.
But here is a product that is promising a ray of hope.
Designed in USA with ISO 9001-2008 certified and licensed by the American Petroleum Institute and automobile industry across the world. This product is a specially formulated high quality based oil. This product has gone through rigorous testing by the Syntef Group, United States Testing Laboratory, and the SETA Shell 4-ball extreme pressure test.
Now, this product claims that it can reduce the engine maintenance cost and operating cost by 30%. It claims that it can improve the life of the engine. It claims that it can reduce fuel and energy consumption by 30% and increase your service intervals by over a 50% margin.
Now, those are some very tall claims, and if the product really performs to those marks, it can be very helpful to the people who are using it. And that is why today we are here to find out if the product really performs to the claims and it actually increases your mileage, performance, and engine efficiency. For this experiment, we have a 2020 TVS Apache RTR 204V with a completely empty tank. We will be putting exactly 1 liter of fuel and taking the readings with a 100% stock bike with no products added to it. To keep things fair, we will be taking an average of 3 readings and will try to keep a constant speed of 60 km per hour throughout the test. So I settled the trip to 0, and without further ado, let's start riding, start putting on some kilometers and start getting some readings of how the Apache performs, what mileage it gives without using the product. The completely stock bike off the showroom floor boasts a respectable mileage of 50.70 km per liter. And after riding for a while, the first reading I got is 47.3 kilometers per liter, which is still very respectable because I was riding at a constant speed of 60 kilometers per hour in a very controlled environment. And for the second test, I got myself stuck purposely in traffic condition to see what type of mileage am I getting with the completely stock Apache in traffic situations. And as I had expected, I am getting a mileage of 42.7 kilometers per liter. And for the third reading, I took a test where I am just riding naturally, not trying to get excellent mileage, not trying to extract the most power, just riding naturally how I will ride if I am not doing this test. And the results were I got a mileage of 43 kilometers per liter, which brings the real life mileage of the stock Apache to 44.33 kilometers per liter compared to the 50.70 kilometers per liter which is claimed by ARAI. Now is the time to test our product. So we will be adding 60 ml of this special engine treatment technology in the engine, and also will be adding 1 ml of this special fuel conditioner mixed with 1 liter of fuel. After that, I filled 1 liter of fuel into my tank and started riding to take the readings with the new and improved engine treatment and the fuel conditioner in my motorcycle. To keep the parameters same, I rode at the same constant speed of 60 km per hour on the same road to take the readings with the new and improved engine treatment and the fuel treatment now running in my motorcycle. And the results were surprising. Not only did my Apache give more mileage, but it gave more mileage than what is specified as the standard mileage for an Apache 200. It gave a mileage of 51.7 kilometers per liter, which is very commendable. Now, to be fair, this engine treatment and fuel conditioner requires at least 300 kilometers of ride to properly set into the engine in all the metal parts and to be 100% effective. So the first reading of 51.7 kilometers per liter in the first try is very respectable. After that, I took a test where I am riding in a very trafficy situation where I have to decelerate, accelerate again, change gears a lot of times, and I got an average mileage of 48.5 kilometers per liter. And for the next test, it was time to do a proper highway ride where I am just riding naturally, not trying to get good mileage, good performance, nothing like that, just riding naturally. And I got a mileage of 47.5 kilometers per liter, which brings my new mileage to a whopping 49.23 kilometers per liter. So we have made a very significant difference of 49.23 over the stock bike, giving a mileage of 44.33 kilometers per liter. If that wasn't enough, the company claims that it can improve your mileage by 30%. Once the engine treatment properly bonds to all the metallic parts into your engine, the cylinders, the gears, the shafts, we can expect a much bigger jump. I will be making a follow-up video regarding this. So that means a 30% jump from the stock mileage can give us an average of 65.91 kilometers per liter. And if that is not enough, the company claims that it can double the service intervals of an engine. Now that means a stock Apache servicing is done at every 3000 kilometers. By using this engine treatment and fuel conditioner, I will be able to do the servicing at 6000 kilometers. Now to put things into perspective, let us do a proper long-term analysis of how this product will be useful to you in 6 months. So the long-term analysis period will be of 6 months. Now the stock bike gives an average mileage of 44.33 in real life situation. So for example, we do a kilometers of 6000 over the 6-month interval. The prices of fuel in Goa right now are 93.84. So the total expenditure only on fuel for doing 6000 kilometers will be 12,701.10. Now because we have done 6000 kilometers, we have to service the bike twice, at 3000 kilometer interval first and the 3000 kilometer interval second. Now the service cost of an Apache is 777 for one service. So we will be doing 2 services. And hence the total expenditure that we will incur in the 6-month interval will be 14,255.10. So this will be the cost of fuel plus servicing over a 6-month duration for a normal stock Apache, that is 14,255.10. Now when we use the improved fuel additive and the engine treatment, we get a mileage of 49.23 kilometers per liter. Now to be remembered that this is the immediate mileage difference that we have received. Once the engine treatment properly settles into all the parts of the engine, we can expect a much bigger jump. So for this experiment, we will take this 49.23 which we received during the test of today. So we do a kilometers of 6000, total kilometers done are 6000 over 6 months period. The prices in fuel are 93.84. So the total fuel cost that we are incurring just by this difference of 49.23 is 11,436.92, which is quite less than 12,701.10 that we incur on the stock Apache. Now we have to service this bike directly at 6000 kilometers because as we discussed earlier, this product can increase your service intervals it can double your service intervals actually. So we can service this bike at 6000 kilometers safely. Now this is also not tested. So once I reach my 6000 kilometer mark, I will make a follow-up video to prove this point. So the service cost that we will incur after 6000 kilometers is 777. That makes our total expenditure in 6 months by using this improved fuel additive and oil additive, we will get 12,213.92. So that is a pretty big saving. Now the total savings that we will get from 6 months will be 2,041 rupees. So you will be saving 2,000 rupees over the 6-month period compared to someone who is using a stock Apache or a stock bike and doesn't have this product in it. So the final savings will be 2041.18 minus 720. 720 is the price of the engine treatment and the fuel conditioner. The total price comes to 720. So once you remove that 720, you get a total saving of 1321.18, which is pretty respectable. Now, if the product really stands to what it claims that it can improve the efficiency to 65.91. As we discussed over here that 50.70 is the standard plus 15.21, it can give us 65.91. So if that happens, and in real life, even if we get a 60 km per liter average in real time using this improved fuel additive and oil additive, then the total fuel cost will be just 9,384. And isn't that amazing? You'll be spending just 9,384 compared to 12,701 spent by someone who is not using this product. You will service the bike at 6,000 kilometers, servicing cost will be 777, and the total expenditure in 6 months will be only 10,161 compared to the 14,255 spent by someone who is not using this product. So the total savings would be 4,094 rupees, and once you remove the 720 rupees for the fuel additive and the oil additive, the price of the fuel and the oil additive, you will be left with 3,374 rupees in your pockets, more money in your pockets. You can go for more rides. You will have more opportunities to do something with that money. Isn't that amazing?
Okay, so now that I have shown the facts, I have proved the facts that this product essentially will help you increase your mileage. The way to buy this product is there will be a number which is coming on the screen right now. You contact me on that number or just WhatsApp me. I will personally give you the product. Now, as I have said that my bike is essentially new. So my TVS Apache is 100% new. It has just done about 6,000 kilometers. So the effect on this bike is much less, but if your bike has done many kilometers, it has done 20, 30, 40,000 kilometers, the effect will be much higher and much better. So how you buy this product? The number is coming over here on the screen. You call me on this number or just WhatsApp me if I am not available, and I will give you this product. I hope that everyone in Goa uses this product. It is benefited for them. They use this product, their mileage increases, they save money, and it's good for all of us because once we save money, we can go for more rides, we can do more things. So yeah, give me a call on this number. If you want this product, I will hook you up with this product. If you want any clarification, any details of how this product works, it will work in my bike or not, is it safe or not, everything I will clarify to you personally. So yeah, call on this number. Done.